today. It's a vlog. I'm sorry for the glare. I might take these off actually, but I don't know. I really like them. Today, everyone, I am running some errands because, oops, I'm going backwards. Because I am an adult and can do that stuff. I thought you guys could come along with me today and see what like a typical day in my life is like. I put those in quotes because I am a student, so obviously this is not my everyday. This is kind of when I have free time / when I have stuff to do. I love errand days. Like, I love running errands. If anyone wants to hit me up and be like, hey girl, I gotta run some errands, you want to come with me? I will say yes. Okay, I thought I would take you guys along. I have to go a few places. Did I just forget my planner? Okay, we might have to take a quick Yui. It is not already 12:30. I've been up since 9 and was getting ready. You know what? No, I don't need my planner. I got it up here, okay? We got it up here because we organized. We know what we need, okay? I think, oh, I can go straight. We're gonna go vacuum out my car first, which, like, that's gonna be kind of boring. I'm sorry, but I have a lot of dog hair. I just got a new car, so I'm trying to keep this in tip-top shape, and I just have, like, some crumbs on my ground. It's pretty organized in here anyways. That bag is just, I have to drop some stuff off. I have to go by Plato's Closet and get some clothes, sell some clothes. I don't know. I feel like Plato's Closet is the equivalent to GameStop, selling back your games. Okay, so the plan today, y'all, because we're friends, we're driving together, so I gotta let you know what the plan is and what we're doing today. Like I've been trying to say, but I'm just like talking a mile a minute, you know? The plan is we're gonna go vacuum my car in like 2 minutes. It's gonna take about 30 seconds. Do you ever see runners that wear way too short of shorts? I'm talking male runners. Like, is their junk gonna fall out of there? Cause I think it will. And this man is running in 32-degree weather with freaking booty shorts on. Booty shorts. All right, so like I've been trying to say for the past 30 minutes, we're going to vacuum my car out right now. And then, oh, I need to get in this thing. Beep, beep, beep. We're going to vacuum out my car. Then we're going to Ulta. Then we're going to Walmart / Hobby Lobby because they're in the same parking lot, which they're close to Ulta. So that's the plan for right now. And then later tonight I am babysitting, but I probably won't vlog that. Oh, great news, I forgot. Yeah, we are going by Plato's, which I mentioned earlier. Whoops, that's Steak and Shake. And luckily, Plato's is literally right next to the car wash. Did you just beep at me? No, you didn't, honey.
No! You mad.
What's up? We back. Tell me why I'm out of breath after vacuuming my car. Honestly, worked up a sweat. Woo-hoo. I'm going to go to Goodwill, which is literally right there. Okay, I just need to, we're gonna do this way. I just gotta drop this off. Oh, guys, I forgot. I found somebody's wallet and I have to look at their ID and Pennsylvania. He's an organ donor. Ah! So windy outside. It smells like onion rings outside and I'm so hungry. So yeah, I found this guy's wallet and I'm not gonna take any money out of it. I'm not gonna steal his credit cards or anything like that. Like, no, I'm a good citizen. But, wait, what the heck? Oh my gosh. He has his girlfriend. I'm guessing it's, yo, there's some other girl's ID in here. I just called that number that I found in his wallet and it was his number. So I just called him and I was like, hey, let's meet up. I'll give this back to you. Don't worry, guys. I'll be safe. I'm just going back to where I found it to give him his wallet back. So I'll keep y'all on the DL and just like keep recording in case I get kidnapped or something. Hi, here you go. You're welcome. Everything's in there, I promise. You can double check if you want. I was trying to find like one of y'all's phone numbers, so luckily you went to the dry cleaners.
Thank you. Yeah, exactly. No, thank you so much.
Of course, y'all have a good day.
Yeah,
of course.
Well.
Bye-bye. Okay, good deed number 1. By the way, that girl that he was with, I was gonna say that there was another girl's ID in there, but like it did not look like her unless she like dyed her hair, so I'm no snitch. Hey. Wait. Not my best coffee, but I mean, I made it, so what can you do? Make it better. Please scoot up just a little bit more. I just need a little bit more room. Alright, let's see what's on the radio. Turn that back down.
Shake that booty, I come visit. If you thick, I might hit it. Damn. Shake that booty for a ride. Damn. Shake that booty on live. Damn. Shake that booty outside. Damn. Twerk. Make that big booty work. Can I touch that booty? That booty.
Okay, I need some food. I'm starving. Alright, I'm out here starving. I really want, oh my gosh, I could really mess up some wings. I'm really trying to eat healthy, believe it or not, but it's not working out well. And like my whole drinking water thing, not working out well either. Okay, beep beep. Okay, y'all, so I am home and I'm gonna go inside and chill out before I have to go babysit in about 4 hours, which that definitely gives enough time to hang out. I'm gonna do that. If you guys like this video, I know it's a little different. If you like the vlog style, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on any videos you want me to film. I have a bunch of ideas, but you know, it never hurts to hear what other people want to see. So if you think I'm doing a good job, if you want, you can leave it in the comments down below. If you also just want to, you know, tell me what you want to see, leave it in the comments below. If you're feeling generous, please hit that subscribe button. I know it's up here now, but like I don't have any room down here. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and I will see you guys at my next video. You know, just support me. Thanks. It's good. Waiting on my noodles.